What's swinging, guys? It's Carl doing here. Welcome to week 8, I believe it is, of Beaumont College South Lakes fire alarm tests. So, we're going to start with the KAC first, then we'll start with the FR070s. Alright everyone, alarm starting now.
Okay, cool.
Now we'll do these ones next. We'll see if we can get it done with just this one. Now we'll go ahead and do this one, then we'll get to the other ones. There we go. Just got 3 more to do.
I've literally had 2 tyres replaced, but they're not closed down.
Right then everyone, now we'll start with the one at the entrance. Didn't go off. There we go. Make sure you don't feel alarmed. Little alarm joke for everyone there. Only 2 more.
The other thing we can do...
Only 2 more to do, just so everyone knows. And I hope you're not feeling too alarmed, Cookie. Get the joke?
Very alarming.
Alright guys, we'll do the one at our upstairs entrance now. Oh. Just got 1 more now after this. Just go reset it. Alright, 1 more to do now.
Tell me what you think of it and all this. And I was like, yeah. Just going on about all this.
Just so everyone knows, if you aren't aware by it, I have a laptop now, so I'll be uploading this video while I'm at the college. Looks like Cookie's got his fingers in his ears. And there we go. So that's it for week 8 of Beaumont College fire alarm tests. We've done it all on our own today without Sarah being there. So that's it for week 8. I hope everyone enjoyed it and stay tuned to week 9. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content. And until